This morning we restocked all of the feeders so that they can, pick and choose where they want to go. I feel like that's a little bit better. It allows some of the birds, such as cowbirds, which are more flock feeders, to go to one specific bird feeder, and it opens up the other feeder for my titmice, my chickadees, my nuthatches, and things like that. I found that works best for me. Hopefully it will for you too if you decide to go that route. But again, I hope you enjoy the video, and here is one of my favorite birds. Enjoy.